Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, how are you? Today we will learn about how to make the exams on Google Classroom online exam using the Google Docs. So let's start. We will go first of all to classwork here and go to the create quiz assignment, and then we will the blank quiz will be created here. You click on that blank quiz, then it will take you into the Google Drive and open the blank quiz here. So first of all, let's see here what is the how you make the exam here. Let's start. You can see here here is a setting. We will first make the setting of our quiz. So we will collect the email in the general. Three tabs are here: general, presentation and quiz. In general tab, collect email addresses, limit 1 to 1 response, and edit after submitting. No, I don't want it. So see summary chart. No, I don't want it. Then presentation, show progress bar, show shuffle question bar order. And it will be shuffling the question when it show to the each student, and not the same questions. It will shuffle. Quizzes immediately after each submission. So first of all, make this a quiz, assign point values to question and allow auto grading. No, we want it. Assign point values to the question and allow auto grading. Immediate after screen, release grade. No, I don't want it. I want it later. So I select the later after manual review. Then missed question, correct answers point. This will be shown to your over there. So you will save this option here, and now let's start our quiz. First quiz, we will write it here. This is first section. So I will make two section here. For example, this is section area. Here you can make it working. You want to add question, you want to add import questions, you want to add title and description, you want to add image, you want to add any video, you want to include other sections. So this is the first section I'm taking. Here I will write here the what I want to make the quiz of computer. So I write it computer, and here, or you will write it here, and here exam 2019-20, in bracket you write it here computer. Then after that, here is the blank quiz. Okay, you can write it here, name of the school, for example Maran School. So here you can give the description, some kind of instructions about the exam, or something like this. Here already we collect that he will collect the email address. This static sign show to the student that it's compulsory. Without writing email address, he will not allow you to submit the assignment. I want to make the section here also. What is the section for? It will give you the name of the student. STUD, student name. Okay, you make it compulsory. You want to make it compulsory, then you can make it compulsory. Here student will type the name of the student, but better this section I will delete it, because it doesn't given you the option to compulsory of the exam. You will add it here, one question, and select it on the short question and write here the name of student. Okay, and make selection here short question, and then required, check on the required. It will be required here. Don't write any cancel key or something like this. Okay, now here is the one option, make duplicate. I press on that, the same thing it will be copied here, but this time I want the short question. So I will write it down here, click on that, the multiple choice. I want multiple choice, so I write it here, the question here, for example name the input device. I write here the two option input, for example keyboard, and I write required for me, and here is the answer key. You can also make the answer key with that. I will give it the point 1 point 2 point 3 point some how many point you want to give him. I make it 1 point for that. The keyboard is the answer. I select on that, and I also can feed the answer, correct answer here. So if you want to it, you can also do it. For example, I will mark it here input I save it this answer like this, and it's come here. Then I make it done. This first question is ready for that. Then you do that duplicate, write another question. Then you can select it from here. For example, short question you want, you write here the what is define in output devices. So then don't give it to the answer key, it is required. Okay, and if you want to change the answer key, for example this answer I want for the marks 5 marks question, then I write it done it from here. And here one more thing, it shows to you here answer key. Look here, mark all other answers incorrect. This is for what? If you write the feedback here and then all other marks related to this question, it will be it will make tally with that. If it is incorrect, not same, then it will be mark it incorrect. So it is done from here. I not make it select. So if for example here I want to put another section, I put another section. This is for example, this section is for mostly they will use by the English teachers. English for example, who want to divide two section, grammar part and the comprehension part like this, they can use it here. For example, I want to use it from the long question, long questions. Then I will again start here add question. So in this area again, it's for example you want to write some short answers here, you can do it. What is database? Okay, he will write it here the answer, and then you again make the setting as it is, as you can it's a required. Okay, and then it's a text value. You want to text, how much text it will contain. It will contain the text, and the text value we will write it here. Custom error text, no, they don't want it. So what is the data base? So answer key, if I want, I will make the answer key here. I want it to this 5 mark question, so it's none. What they will write it here, to write it here. So like this you can using this toolbar you can add your things better. Now let's see, I will just check how much time. So I will make the 2 part because the 10 minutes have been recorded. So from here you can when you want to copy it from there, go to the send, make copy from here, shorten, copy the link and go to the classroom, then add link, make copy, paste here, add link here, and then set your settings. Delete this quiz from here, make your setting here 20 marks, 30 marks, whatever it is, 30 marks, date, and then you have the optional time, for example 2:30 p.m. like this, whatever it is. Then you write the instructions here, test, this sign will be active, so then you will assign, it will